Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't done a video in God knows how long, but I'm actually filming on my desk. I'll probably do a desk tour soon, hopefully. So today I'm gonna do a video I never did, which is my favorites for the month of February, and we're now in March when I'm filming this. So it's gonna be kind of beauty related and not beauty related, and I might add some stuff down in the description box below, so in case you want more information on something. So we are going to jump into the video. It's currently snowing outside, so I figured why not film a new video for you guys. So here we go. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is this is a hair mask. This is from Trader Joe's. This is like the best thing ever. You leave it in your hair for 3 to 5 minutes and it literally makes your hair so soft, so smooth, so silky. I recommend this. I forgot how much it is, but I think if you ever stop by Trader Joe's, pick this up. It's can't talk. Definitely worth the price. You should definitely get this. I recommend. So the next product we're gonna jump into, I'm trying to go through it kind of quickly because I kind of have like a lot of things, kind of, sort of. All right, so the next thing we're gonna jump into is this Argan Oil. This is also from Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's, by the way. So this is good for your hair, nails, and skin. It moisturizes it, it absorbs in the hair and the skin, and it doesn't make your hair oily or completely greasy. I use it on my face, on my nails, and on my skin, and this is amazing. I forgot, I think it's like $6-7, but if you definitely get this, I recommend it highly. Okay, so the next thing, I'm trying to go through it quickly, guys, is, let's see, this is life right here. So this is Airbrushed Legs by Sally Hansen, and it gives you a glow. Think of it as makeup for your legs. I love this. This is like life-changing. So it helps with any imperfections you have on your legs. If you do not feel confident, this will make you feel like a goddess on earth. It makes your legs look amazing. I currently used this once, and it made my legs look like glowing and beautiful. So if you ever, and it's also waterproof, so it's really hard to take this off, but it's also worth it. Like if you really need it, it's just amazing. Definitely check this out. I recommend it. Sorry, I keep looking out the window, guys. It's like snowing crazy. They haven't cleaned up. I can see the people across the street. It's just crazy right now. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna jump into is this mascara. This is by, oh god, I can't even remember who makes this mascara. This is by, I think this is by L'Oreal. It's called the Unlimited. It is by L'Oreal. It's made by L'Oreal. This mascara is what I'm currently wearing on my eyelashes right now. It brings them to make them look out there. Like, I've tried multiple mascaras. This is probably the best mascara ever, and it's also waterproof. I just picked it up one day when I was in CVS, and I was like, oh, this looks interesting, and I picked it up, and I definitely do not regret buying this. This is all I've been using. It's all I want to use. And I think it's like $10-11 in CVS, but it's definitely worth the price. I am satisfied with this. So if you're ever in the market for a waterproof mascara that's gonna really bring out your lashes and make your face pop, this would definitely be it. So definitely go check this out if you have a CVS, Rite Aid. I'm sure it'll be in any drugstore. So the next two products I'm gonna jump in because they kind of go into each other is the KK Beauty lipstick and lip liner. This lip liner, when I tell you this glides, sorry about that, it glides on your lips. It feels so smooth, so soft. I am obsessed. I was actually really surprised by how good these products are, and it's amazing. Like, this is a red lipstick. It feels so good on the skin. This is the classic red collection that she actually came out with. Even the packaging I was obsessed with. I still saved it because I love it. If you need a red lipstick that's very moisturizing, it's non-drying, and it feels very comfortable on the lips, definitely check out this set. It's definitely worth it. I think I paid $28 for both of these things. I would definitely look out for more of her products. I am obsessed. I love it. Definitely check this out, especially if you like red lips like I do. Check it out. Definitely worth the price. So the next thing we're gonna jump into is another beauty favorite, and this is the Fenty Beauty. This is like the powder for your face. I love this. This isn't actually in the banana one. It's honestly the best thing ever. I actually have it on my face now. This is amazing. This is $30. This is definitely worth the price. I definitely recommend this. It feels so good on the skin. It even smells really good too. So if you're in the market for a good like highlighter, it's like a pro fill. I don't know how to explain it. Just go get it. It's worth the price. $30. It's pretty good. So the next thing we're gonna talk about is this Pond's cold cream. I love this to take off my makeup. It just makes it so much easier. It's moisturizing. You can even leave it on your skin to sleep. I highly recommend this, especially if you're like me and you want to get everything off your face after you put a whole bunch of makeup on, because listen, ain't nobody got time. This is amazing. Definitely check this out. It is worth it. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to talk about is this Multi-X Repair Cream. This is for your face. It's professional repair formula. It has anti-wrinkle and brightening, and it's also a daily moisturizer. I love this. I think I want to buy the full-size product. This is amazing on the skin. It's not too heavyweight. It doesn't make you greasy. It doesn't make you oily. I am obsessed. This is just a sample, and I would like to check out the rest. I don't know how much this retails for, but if you need a moisturizer, something that's gonna make your skin look nice and feel good, definitely check this out. This is definitely worth it. Okay, so the next product that I'm gonna talk about is another Fenty Beauty product. Is the lip gloss. I am obsessed. This one is the Diamond Milk one. I love this lip gloss. This is currently what I'm wearing on my lips right now. I love this lip gloss. Rihanna did her thing with this lip gloss. I have no bad things to say. It just makes your lips look juicy and beautiful. I love it. Definitely check this out. This is what I have on my lips right now. I actually definitely recommend it, guys. So the next thing I want to talk about, I've had this for a little while now. It's the Berries and Cream palette by Dominique Cosmetics. I'm obsessed with her. I love this palette. It is so beautiful. The colors in this palette are just gorgeous. They're good for any kind of look that you want to do. The price is not even bad either. Definitely check this out. I didn't think I would actually like this palette, but like the colors, everything about this palette is just, it's everything that you wouldn't expect you needed, but would definitely need. I recommend this. This is the most beautiful palette that I have spent money on in a while. This is worth it to me. Definitely check out her cosmetics website. It's worth it. No, I am not sponsored by her. I just love her. I think she's amazing. So my next kind of products are not really beauty related. They're kind of like just random things that I've been enjoying and liking, and definitely recommend. So the first thing I'm gonna start with is this Trader Joe's cashew dip. This is actually dairy free. It's a cheese dip alternative. I love this. This tastes good with like any kind of chips you can think of. This tastes amazing with. I love this. I've been buying this literally like every 2 to 3 weeks. It's so good. I recommend it especially if you're trying to cut down on cheese and looking for a more vegan kind of healthy option. This will be it. It tastes so good. It's definitely unexpected. I love it. Definitely check this out. So the next thing I want to bring up is my Apple Watch. I have it on right now. This thing is a lifesaver, let me tell you. It's actually so convenient. I didn't realize how convenient it would be to have an Apple Watch. I used to have one, but I got rid of it Sorry guys, I'm trying to fix these crazy hairs right here. An Apple Watch is so convenient. I love it because it's good for the time, the date. You can look at your text. You can even look at your pictures. You can check how many steps you're taking. This is like the little screen that you pull up and you can like put a flashlight on, some kind of light. I recommend this. This is like the best $250 I've spent in a while. It's a little pricey depending on your budget, but I don't regret buying this. I love it. It is make my life more easy. Like I can't even, I don't know, I just love it. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna talk about is, oh my god. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is this little bra thing. I cannot take it apart, it's like stuck together, but it's the thing that you put on your chest when you want to wear something that is a little bit more risky and you don't want to feel naked, especially, you know, if you're going somewhere important. I definitely recommend this. I wore this recently and it did not move, it did not slip, and it gives you a nice cleavage. I cannot complain. Definitely worth the price. I got this from Fashion Nova. I forgot how much it is. I will link it down below in case anybody's interested in checking it out. It's just, it makes everything better. And no, it kind of hurts a little bit when you rip it off, but you know, it does what it has to do, which is keep your boobies up there. So definitely check this out if you're in the market for one. And then my last thing that I want to talk about is a purchase I made from Target. These are the loafers from Target. I think I paid like $17. I bought them because they look like the Gucci ones with the fur. These are actually extremely comfortable. They look extremely stylish. I love them. I'm obsessed. I'll try to link them down below to see if they have them. Oh, my Apple Watch is trying to give me a challenge right now. So definitely love these. They're so comfortable, they feel good, and for the price you really can't beat it. I mean, $17, like compared to how much the Gucci ones actually cost. Yeah, so check these out if you guys are like interested or like wanted to like change up your style. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm talking a lot because I haven't done a video in a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this February favorites, and let me know, what are your favorites? What are you enjoying? So give me a like, comment down below, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.